What's up, boys? Hello करो. इसका hello. Hey, good morning, Phantom Fam. So it's about 6 a.m. 20th of June, and we are leaving from Pathankot. Now we stayed at this hotel, which is bang on NH 44. It's called Hotel Leo Oyo Hotels. Okay, so I will leave the contact information down here. It's a very good hotel. The bikes are ready. The chain is lubed, and today we're gonna ride all the way to Srinagar and then try to find a hotel there. So we found this hotel yesterday, literally the first hotel that we stopped at. You can see this is the flyover in Pathankot. That's the Gurudwara, which you're gonna see as soon as you enter. We were supposed to leave at 5 a.m. but then Mr. Sachin and Mr. Praneeth woke up late. We've crossed 2 state boundaries yesterday. So we went from Punjab to, I think, Himachal Pradesh, and then back into Punjab. I don't know where that happened. And now today's ride is gonna have fantastic views. So let's go. Jammu 103, Amritsar 104, Udhampur 174. Nice. किसका भाई इधर सिटी बजा रहा है भाई.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Welcome you to Jammu and Kashmir. Arr. Ay, ay, ay. So we are officially now in Jammu and Kashmir. We have just entered the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and you can see the scenery changes. Things change. India is a diverse country, and that's what I love about it. That's the Indian Army, probably just patrolling. The army patrolling the main, whatever, the small town area that was. And now you will see how the scenery changes rapidly as we start moving towards Srinagar. The real great Indian adventure starts now. But as if it's not been adventurous so far. So hey guys, if you're enjoying the series till now, make sure you hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Let's continue on the video. As you can see, Jammu is 90, Srinagar, that's where we're going, 380 kilometers. Although the distance is not much, it's going to take us approximately 10 hours to reach due to road and traffic conditions solely. Let's continue onwards. Now we are on Udhampur Road. This is a bypass going across Jammu, and we've gone from 4-lane highway to single-lane highway. The weather is nice and cool compared to Pathankot. So hey guys, we just had breakfast here on the Udhampur road. Beautiful views. Just had Maggie. Chalo bhaiya, milte hain. Beautiful views. All they had was Maggie and tea. Now next stop is straight to Srinagar. But they said there's a beautiful lake just 10 kilometers from here, so let's go. Name is Nasri Tunnel Limited. Hey guys, what's up? So we just crossed one of the most grueling traffic jams that I've ever seen, and we were stuck for a good I think 2 to 3 hours. Even the name of the tunnel, I don't get it, but I'll play the clip now so that you know what I'm talking about. And you can see the condition. It's all dusty. This is supposed to be black. Check out my shoes. Can you see it? So everything's screwed. The bike is dirty as well, but we have to push on to Srinagar. I think another 130 kilometers to go. So I'll catch you there. Okay, brake is done. Much needed. After that, क्या होता है? enduro ghat. Endurance ghat with traffic and everything.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Hey, what's up guys? So we are now exploring Srinagar and it's, what time is it? It's almost 9 o'clock in night. It's super cold because we came from hey, कहाँ से आए आप? मैं भूल भी गया. Pathankot, where it was hot as hell and it's really cold. And now I want to just introduce you to the guys. Sachin, how's the weather?
It's cold.
I'm wearing two t-shirts. Literally, I'm wearing two t-shirts, and Ravi is here. No, he's wearing thermals. Right? Yeah, he's wearing thermals inside. And tomorrow we push for Kargil. So it's gonna get colder and colder. And I don't have my thermals, so I'm gonna wear my liners. So let's see how it goes. So that's the boys, and now this area that we are in is called Zero Bridge. It's in Srinagar. It's like a tourist attraction sort of. There are houseboats around. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly give you a glance of the Zero Bridge after this, and you can catch on the rest of the photos on Instagram. Phantom Rides out. What's up, boys? Hello, karo. He's got hello. There's the bridge over there. Can't really see anything right now. Ah, bas ekdam. Slow chala thoda. हाँ. ये बूथ के पास से जा, राइट वाला बूथ. पब्लिक को बाजू में हो. सही है, बहुत सारा पब्लिक है, बहुत सारा पब्लिक. जितना वीडियो आएगा उतना लगेगा भाई. हाँ, ये स्लो मोशन मध्ये 30 FPS ला टाकेल. अरे ये शॉट मस्त.